world here on the internet. I'm your host, Moises Beauchamp Jr., and I got a quick question for you. Have you been laid off from work? If so, you're not alone. If you're like most people, you probably was doing well, but then the virus happened, and before long, you were laid off. What if I told you that there was a quick, easy, and affordable way to start the business that you've always wanted? That's why today I am thrilled to announce my brand new Simply Easy Cash System program. You see, I've been doing affiliate marketing for over 15 years. That's why today I am delighted to share with you my latest affiliate marketing program, Easy One Up. And best of all, I'll work with you one-on-one. We'll get on a Zoom call, spend some time setting things up for you. All at it, zero extra cost to you. So go ahead and click that button below so you can stop worrying about not having a job during a pandemic ever again. Go ahead and click that button below, and I look forward to working with you on the inside.